Time to go to work. It would be safe to wear a seatbelt right now, but I'm too cool for those. I hope nobody is in the car with me, because that would be bad if I got in an accident. Please don't get in an accident, Dad. Son, is that you back there? Yes, Father, it's me. You've left me out in the car for 3 weeks now. Man, it sure is difficult driving in the rain where you can't see anything. Look at all that rain! Hark, is that another car on the horizon? It is a car I see. I hope I don't get in an accident with them. What a wonderful day just to drive around and have fun. Before I drive, I always need to make sure that I'm doing what's safe. I need to make sure that my music isn't up loud at all. I always buckle up. Here we go. Oh no, that car's gonna hit me. Oh no, a car's coming for me. I'm gonna hit it! Ah! Brace for impact, son! We're gonna hit a car! Please don't let me die, Dad!
Whoa!